Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can use the global variables in a Python module. So in our current scenario you can see here the x equal to 99, which is a global variable here, and we have defined here x is equal to 88 under the main proc, which is a local variable here. So the difference is like when we try to print here the very first print, it will give the value of x as 99, and when we try to print here, it will give the value of x is 88. Now the important question is what will be the value of x in proc 1 and the proc 2? So if you understand this, then your global and local variable concepts will be very clear. So without wasting time, let's first run this and we will observe the result, and based on that we will do the analysis of this small program once again. So let's open the Anaconda prompt here to run this code. You can use any of your software for this. I am very familiar with this Anaconda, so I will be using the Anaconda for this explanation purpose. So let's change the directory here. So we are in this program directory now, and we will run this program. So here we can observe the result as the global variable was the value of 99, and in the main, which is a local variable, we have the value of 88. So you can see this value is basically is 99, and this value is 88. But very interesting to see that in the proc 1 and proc 2 we have the value of x as 99. So here we have the value of x as is 99, and here we have the value of x is 99. So clearly there are two different storage here for the x, one for the global variable and another one is for the local variable. So two different storage. So this can create a problem if you are dealing with some programs where you are using the global variable throughout the different procs. So how you can actually fix this issue? So you can fix this issue by a keyword called global here. So let's mark it here as global x, and the same stuff you can mention here also, and the same stuff here also. Okay. Now what we did here is like we have made this variable, this global variable applicable to all the procs actually. Now there will be no two different storage, one with 99 and one with 88. Now there will be only one storage. Okay, and let's see. We will run this program now once again, and we will observe the results here. So now you can see the values has been changed in the proc 1 and proc 2. So the flow was something like this actually, like we have initialized x equal to 99, and then the flow goes to this main proc here, and in this main proc we have defined global as x, means this x is basically this x equal to 99, and we have again passed the value of x as 88. Okay, now this is no longer a local variable, we have made it as a global, and then we have called the proc 1 and the proc 2, and both places we have seen here The value has been now changed from 99 to 88, and this has been changed from 99 to 88. So the idea is like whenever you try to uh, use the global variable throughout the procs, the different procs, you have to use this keyword everywhere on those procs as a global, and then the variable name you have to pass. I try to make this simple, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys in understanding the concept of this global and local variables in Python. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.